Hello guys, do you want to create an amazing investment website like this that you are seeing? In this website, user can easily log into their account and make an investment and also carry out trade on their own. And admin can make setting of everything on the platform. As you can see, this website is mobile friendly and everything is working perfectly. Okay, let me just log in. Okay, as you can see, this very amazing dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the website. Your user can easily deposit, withdraw, transaction, see everything, trade plan, see my plan, everything, and profit history, which is the history of your account and everything. I can easily carry out a KYC, everything, and everything is working perfectly. This is one of the amazing website. The best thing about this website is that it's a mobile friendly. You can easily use it on your phone, tablet, and other device. As you can see, it's working perfectly and also everything is good. Okay, let me show you how you can create this type of website easily. If this is your first time or joining us on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share to your loved ones. Okay, I just log into my cPanel, and once I log into my cPanel, I'll see all of this how your cPanel would look like. The first thing I just need to do is to upload our script into our public_HTML. To do that, just scroll down to our file manager section. This is the file manager section. Then I click on file manager. It will take you here. Then just scroll down to the public_HTML. If you want to upload this website on a subdomain, you have to look for your subdomain that you want to upload this website to. That is where you will upload the website to. But since I'm not uploading the website into my subdomain, I'm uploading inside my public_HTML. As you can see, this is just the direct link to the website. Once I refresh, you see that there's nothing on the website. That is why it's showing 404. Then I just come down. Then I just open public_HTML. Then the next thing we need to do is to upload it here. To upload, you just click on upload. Then you search for the file that you want to upload. This process is also applicable to other websites that you want to host. Then I just search for my script or my PC. This is my script. I can easily click on select here. There I'll click from here, or in the other part I can just search for this script here. There I just drag and drop it here. The two work the same. Then now our website have start uploading. Our script has start uploading. This is the progress. Then when our script is uploading, we have to do some other things to make the ball rolling. The thing we need, other things that we need how to create our database and connect our database. For us to do that, just come to our cPanel here. Then scroll down to the database section. This is the database section. You can easily create a database using manage my database, or you can use this process, database wizard. Then if you are new to all this system of hosting, once you come here, you will be more confused about it. Then I want to show you how you can create the database using database wizard so that it can easily work. The next thing we need to do is just click on database wizard while our file is uploading. Then we name our database. You can name your database with any name that you want. You can name it as your name. Maybe your name is Jude. You can name it as Jude or James or anything. But it's something that you can easily remember also. And one thing is that you can easily save all these details on a notepad. Let me open a notepad down so that we can save our data into it. Okay. Okay, let me open a notepad. There, after open the notepad, this is our notepad. Why do I open this notepad? So that we can easily save our details here. Now for us to create the database, you can just name your database entity as I said earlier. So I can just name it as investment. Now I can easily add number or anything that I want. Then the next thing I need to do is to click on next step. Now it takes us to where we create our database username and password. Then you name our database the username. I just call it invest user. You can also add use any name that you want. Then the next thing is to create our password. You can easily enter your password here, but mostly I generate a password. Then the next thing I need to do is to generate our password by clicking on the password generator. Then once it comes like this, after clicking it, you have to copy this password that is generated for you. Then I just select it, then I copy it. You understand? After you copy it, you just click on have copied the password, then click on use. Then we'll now use this password for our details now. Then you just click on create user. Since you copied that, the next we just need to do, let us enter some of the details that we created. The first thing, I just put the which is the password. Then I save it here. I go down, enter user, which is the username, just for the purpose. Then I just copy the username here, as you can see. Then the next thing is to enter the database DB. All these are just form of abbreviation for me that I'm using. Then just copy it. Then the next thing I enter. Now everything we need here is almost completed. Then I can just come here. Then I have to add a privilege to the user, which means that the privilege I'm adding is that for the user to take good care of the database, carry out anything that you want, can delete and all. That's why the first thing, the privilege I want to give the user hub privilege. Then I just click on this hub privilege. You can also select by yourself if you don't want to give the user hub privilege by clicking one after the other. But I just give it hub privilege. Then I just go down there and make the change. Okay, now we have completed creating our database successfully without no stress. The next thing we need to do is to go back by clicking the C panel or the tools button. Then let us check our file that we are uploading if it's already uploaded. Then comes here, you see that our file has uploaded successfully. The next thing we need to do is to click here to go back to our home section. This is the file we uploaded. Okay, let me just take this here. I want to see it like this. The next thing we need to do, since we upload a zip file, because each file we need to upload there, either the normal file or you upload it as zip file. You don't need to use other file extension like Webplanent and others. Then the next thing we need to do is just extract the file by clicking it. Then click on extract here. Then click on extract file. Now our file is extracting. Okay, after that our file has extract. Then we just click on close. Then you see this file here, say public underscore HTML. This is where our file is. We don't need this anymore. We can just delete this from our file. You can easily delete it from the for the entire website, or you can just leave it so that we can just go to our bin. You click on confirm first. So just open this folder. This is our script that we uploaded, that we extracted. The next thing we need to do is to move everything backward to our root folder. To do that, just click on select all. Then click on move. Then we have to remove this public underscore HTML. Then click on enter or move file. Now our file have moved back to the root folder. The next we need to do is to click on up one level shows that to go back. You can scroll down, you see all the file that you just moved, as you can see. Now once you are uploading a script, one thing that will come your mind is most of the script will come with a installation guide. You can just follow the guide to get the process easily, because each developer or each teams of developer has their own way of installation. Then the next we need to do is just to scroll down to look for the installation guide. Look at it, this is the installation guide. I just click on this, then you view or you edit. We are just click on view. Now this is the process we are going to follow to easily get our website complete. The first thing you need to do is tell you that important notice, please right click on your .env file and give it a permission of 600 immediately after you have entered your database details in it, and it is very important you do this installation. Server requirement: ensure your PHP version is greater than or equals to 8.2. Now if your PHP version is not up to that, you can easily change it. How do we do that? We come here for panel, can just type PHP version, then look at it here, just click on this. Then it comes here, see that our PHP version is 8.3. If our PHP version is under this before, maybe it's 5.17, everything, you can easily select from it. Then you just click on the apply button. Let us I want to move for 8.3, then I put it in 8.4. I just click on the apply button to apply this change. Now we have easily upgraded our PHP version. Right now you can see that it's 8.3. Now we have done the first step that is required. Next we need to do is click on tools, then you go back to the installation process again. Now we have already carried out this process. Now I say upload and extract the file, the zip file, to your website public _HTML directory, or the directory you wish to run your site from, subdirectory or subdomain in your file manager. Then go to the bootstrap folder and edit the app.php. Go to the line 18. You will see this app user environment directory. Let's say we can change this. Now the next thing to do is to change this file they ask us to do. Then to do that, just go back here to our file, just scroll up, see bootstrap. This is the bootstrap. You open it, then just edit this. Then we are asked to change this database, this name. I just put, can just change to any name. Then I want to replace with Pride J. You can write any name of your choice. The next thing to do is I click on save. After clicking on save, I can just come back and follow the process. They have done this task. Say rename this SDB to something else, for example this, and check for SDB folder. It has the .env file in it. This is where our main work will be done by connecting our database to our software. Then we'll just go back. After this, can you close it? Then the next we need to do, click on this, scroll down, look at this SDB. You open it, click on it and edit on it. Now what are the necessary things we need to change here? We need to change the database connection of this file. Then this is here we bring in our database that we created. The first thing we have here is the password on here. Ctrl C. Let's come here, just change the password. Ctrl V. Let's come here, username. Let's come to the username. Then come to database name. database name. After changing this, you can just scroll up. You see app name. You can easily change your app name from here easily, and the URL of your website. Then I just come here and click on this our URL to copy it. You can enter yours again. You can enter yours. Then just come here. Yeah, change the URL here. Control V. Then I can just enter the name, but I just want to leave the name here. You can easily change the name from here. After you have done all this, the next thing you need to do is to save it. Then we'll save our file here, save change. Then we can close this file from now. Then we'll go back to our installation to see what is next. Say create database, user agd, then set up and .env file in folder. Now then move the SDB folder outside of the public _html and rename the SDB folder to what you use in the instruction 1c, which is this place. Now what is it telling us? That you just come back here, don't forget, go to this bootstrap, open it, edit your app. This name you enter here, that's the name you will copy. Just copy the name, go back, click on back, comes here. You have to move this folder outside. That's what they are saying. Then just click on here, then click on move, then clean it, say move it outside the _html or the public _html. Then just click on enter. Now this file has moved outside the public _html. Then we'll just go back by once, clicking once. Then we'll look for it, SDB. Here we have to name it. Then we'll name it here. I just save it. You enter the name, then you save it. Now you can see that we have changed the name. Now the next thing we need to do after we have done that, it say give the .env file a file permission of 600. Means that it can only be read but it cannot be altered. That's what this file permission means. The next thing we just need to do, just go back. You can easily click here and click permission, but the easier way I do is just to come here. This is the file. You click on this, then we'll change it to 600 by changing it 600. Then click on save. Now we have done this instruction that was given to us. Once it comes here, everything is done. They say ensure you grant the database user all permission. We have done that. Go to your PHP admin and upload our database, which is the SQL. The next thing to do is to look for our database on our file. You can easily close this. After saving this, you can easily open public _html. Then come to this place, SQL. Then you download this file. You click on it, then click on download. After you have downloaded the file, the next thing we need to do is to go and upload the file. Just come to the tools, scroll down to the database section. This is the database section. Then click on PHP myadmin. Then it will load. I have other websites on this system. That's why I see different database here. They have to select the one that we just created. You understand? Then by clicking on investment now, then click on import. After clicking on import, you click on choose file. This is how you upload. This is how you import the database into your website. PHP PHP myadmin. Then click on the database we just download there. Then click on open. The next thing we need to do is to just scroll down without touching anything. Then click on import. After clicking on import, you see that our database have imported successfully and finished. The next thing to do, you can just come here. You scroll down. Now it's telling us that we have done with our website. Now it means that our website is working perfectly. You see that this is very easy step for you to upload this easy slip and create this type of website to your client or for anything, for a project, for anything. And this instruction or this is educational purpose. If you use it in any type of harmful something, it's left for you. And just comes here. This is our website before the link is showing for. We can just click on it and click on enter. Let us see. Okay, after the upload, you can just scroll down. Then it comes here. Ensure you got everything. That means you have completed this aspect. The next thing we need to do is to work on our own job. To do that, I just copy this, Ctrl C, then go to our tools. Can you type it here? Chrome jobs. You click on it, just scroll down. These are the code job I've set here before. Then just comes here, there is select once past 5 minutes, scroll down, you enter the command here, click on it. Now we have created our own job right away. But we have a mistake here. We have to change this to our URL. Let me just delete it. Select not by 5 minutes. Then just change this to your website link. Then you click on add new code job, and that is all. Okay, after setting our code job, the next we need to do is just to go to our website. It means that our website is done. Then enter your domain name, link, and click on it. Now I see this error, this page is not working. This 504, that means the page is working but it's unable to answer. Maybe we have some little mistake. I just go back to check on this. Okay, let me just go back a little. Everything is okay. Okay, we have a mistake here. This is not the file. We need to change the file permission. Let's change it back to 775. Let's change to 775. We have to open it. Then we have to change this .env. That is the one we need to change, but we have a mistake. Well, change it instead of it. Then you click on enter. Then let us refresh our website. Wow, as you can see, our website have completely installed and everything is working perfectly. We only did one little mistake, which is the file permission. If I was also to change the permission, that is not the one we change, and also we have solved that off. Then now you can easily see the website has come up well, working perfectly. Congrats to ourselves. The next thing you need to do after creating, installing, passing through this process, we have to change this website to match our details. How do we do that? For the installation guide here, you will see the admin link. Let's see, for us to access the admin link, just enter the admin link here so that I can make some beautiful change. Okay, you can easily copy, just click on enter. So that we can easily access the admin. Now this is the admin of the, sorry for this. This is the admin session. You can easily enter your details. These are the details you need to enter here. If I can put this here, would be more preferable, right? Okay, let me put it here. You can easily enter all these details here. You just copy them one after the other, or you can just enter by yourself. Then you enter them all. Then you enter your password too. Then enter your password 126, as you can see there. Then click on login or sign in. After that, this will take us to our admin dashboard, which is able to control everything we need to do on this website. The next thing we need to do as the first time after we created this website for our client, you scroll down to the settings. Comes here, click on settings, then we'll click on app setting. This is the most good aspect you can easily. Now see, investment module is enabled. You can disable if you don't want anyone to make investment. Then click on crypto swap. You can disable or enable if you want anyone to do crypto swap or any other thing. Then once you come here, you come to the website information. This is most important. Then here you can change the name of your website. For now, we still have this Pecan Finance. You can easily change it. Let me just clear one for you to understand it. After that, you can enter your welcome to so website and that thing. Then you change your website link here. This is very important. Let me just change mine. I just change it to this. This is the one I'm using. Okay. Guys, change, enter more keyword here. For easily access. This is a keyword for your website. You can enter more. Then you can give your website description here. After carry out everything, you can put your announcement here. This is a WhatsApp. Here you can just enter your WhatsApp number so that your client can easily send you message on WhatsApp. And mind you, this is for educational purpose. Then you can welcome message with screenshot for everything. You can change this as you want. You can enter it. Then you can easily change your time zone too. Then the next thing from here, you will see the logo and the 5 icon. The 5 icon, that is the little logo you see here in every website. You can easily change this. Then you can also change your logo here, which should be seen here. But for now, I don't have logo to change. I can just update it as it is. Or if you are creating it for your client or for anybody or for your project, you can easily change the logo. Then the next thing to do is go to the preference. This preference, this is where you give the contact email where your client or anybody can easily contact you. Then here is the currency of the website. I can easily change it to any currency, but I don't want to change this. Then it comes here, this email. Let me go to my website, to my, just click on tools to go back. There, this is how you can create email on this. Can you click on email account? Then from here, you can easily create any type of email you want. But for now, I've exceeded the number of emails I want to create. Let me just delete one and create it. Which am I going with? Okay. Then for you to create or delete, can you click on manage first, then click on delete email account. This is how you can delete email from your cPanel. Then to create this email in cPanel, you click on create here. After deleting, you can create it from fresh if you have more space to create email. Now you click on create email. Use on this support. You can select your email, your domain, subdomain. Now you put on support here. After this support, I just scroll down. I just click on generate. I copy my password. You click on create, and that is all. Now I've created this email here, which is the copy email. I just copy it. Control C. There I go to my direct to my admin dashboard. There I change this. Then I can also change yours to the one you want to use after creating. Then you change it. The announcement, you can on it. Weekend trade, it depends on you. If user can make withdraw, not withdraw. Google with capture, you can change all this. Translation to translate the page, KYC, restriction, everything. You can do that. After that, just scroll down. You can on anything you want here. Then click on save. After clicking on save, the next thing we need to do is to go to our email and Google login capture. Then you can click on it. They said this. Now, if you want to use SMTP to send email on this website, then you have to leave it on the SMTP. There you enter your SMTP details. But me, I want to send from send email, which is the email section. You click on it. Then you replace the email with your direct email that you just created, or you can create on that email for it as no reply mail anyone. You can easily change the name that you wanted to see here on the email. Yeah, you just add that. Then if you are creating, you want to add a Google login credential, you can create a Google login details credential, then add everything here. Now the callback, you enter your email here, your website link, virality.online. This doesn't matter if you are not using Google details. The Google captcha can change it. After everything, click on save. Once you click on save, now our website is working perfectly and easily. A user can easily register and carry out any task of their choice and easily. For you to manage this website, you can easily come here, either create investment, you see active investment and other things. You can easily create, manage deposit, manage withdrawal, manage account and different things on the website. Then this is where I will lead you to. After this, you can easily carry out everything by yourself, and I'm sure after this you can easily create this website any number of times that you want, because I follow up the process so that you can understand. Now after that, let us just go to our website by coming here and click on it. Now user can easily restart here by clicking on either sign in or create account. Let me create account. You can easily enter your username and other. Let me check if I have a Gmail register here. Let me just now the thing I want to do now is to just register here. Then I just enter my details, as you can see. After that, enter my email. Then you can just enter the phone number of you have. After that, you enter your password. You can just enter any random password on my choice. After that, you select the country. You can just select any country of your choice. You can enter your referral code or not. And you click on create account. Okay, now as you can see, we have created account on our website successfully. And this is how the dashboard look like, and it's very nice and sweet. You can easily carry out everything you want here and very easy. And after register, you can see that you will receive an email because we set up the email section. Just click on it and now you can see support. Now we have this email that say, thank you for joining Finance. We are excited to welcome you to you understand. This is, you see that everything is working perfectly and both email, everything delivered within a second. I will drop some link on this website. Here you can easily purchase some of the things that we use to create this website, like the scripts. If you want the script, you can easily purchase from us directly so that I can create something like this. And also I will also add the link to host. Here you can host your website easily and also purchase the domain so that I can have a token for what you are spending as a referral. Then this is how the system look like. I easily go to deposit as a user or anything. After this, I can add a little link. If you purchase this script from us for a project, don't worry, we guide you how you can use it also to defend anything, to defend your project. As I told you earlier, this is for educational purpose. If you carry out this on any illegal action, we are not responsible for that.